So guys, in this video we are going to tell about Bonk coin. Because Pepe coin is already very pumped, let's talk about Bonk coin today's here. Till now neither have we got to see the spot of Elon Musk, nor we have got to see the traffic of celebrities. What can be the situation of Bonk coin in future and what will be the price of Bonk coin? Today we will discuss about all these things. Let's the video watch the video till end. Hello friends, welcome to the We Make Trillionaire. My name is Dipanshu and today we are going to tell about Bonk coin. And we are going to tell about Bonk coin. The biggest question in the minds of people is whether the burning of Bonk coin can happen, and here a big news has come out that there is talk of burning to 90% of Bonk total supply. There is very big thing for Bonk coin and many crypto analysts are paying attention to this. Here talking about the price, it is hovering around 0.00002431. Till now Bonk coin has shown quite good growth and it is being to said that in this bull run Bonk coin is going to kill to zero after point, and to reduce to zeros Bonk will have to reduce their supply. Last year Bonk coin had burned 20 to 30% of its supply, which created a lot combinations in the Bonk. At present the supply of Bonk coin is 90 trillion and it is not possible to burn it completely. Until now there has been no such news from the team that 90 trillion supply of will be burned, and as soon as any update related to Bonk comes I will be inform you. Let's talk about how much probability there is that Bonk coin will be touch $1. In this bull run there is a possibility to going down by 0.001 here, because looking at the way the rally has taken place for Bonk, it seems that the Bonk coin can go up by 0.001. From the start of the coin till now, Bonk has shown a rally of 31,000%, which is very good thing, and Bonk coin has had a very good pump. Right now the market is definitely showing rain, but bullishness will be also be seen very soon. The whole thing will depend on burning here, and secondly will depend on the community. If we talk about the community, then the community of Bonk coin is not very strong. If we compare the community of Bonk coin and Pepe coin, then the community of Pepe is very strong. That is why whenever a small update come from related to Pepe, we get to see a very good impact inside Pepe coin. If we talk about Bonk, the Bonk also has a lot of whales. Whales invest in Bonk in a fair amount, and there is a lot of trust on Bonk because Bonk coin is based on Solana blockchain, and Solana is a strong coin and a coin with very good performance. And as soon as the market dumped, we see the new investor and whales will be attracted, and they will be get to know the Bonk is the best coin of Solana. So we are going to see a very big rally in Bonk coin. A target of 0.001 can be possible for Bonk, but getting $1 is not possible right now. And we will have to wait for the Bonk to burn and for the Bonk community to grow. Bonk has a community of around 500k on Twitter. That is why are not able to see many followers of Bonk right now. And if the community comes strong, then we will get to see a very big good impact on the performance of Bonk. If you like the video, then definitely give a like.